Hey everybody, get excited, get excited. This is a strong and powerful Corinne making a mark that cannot be erased, changing the world one face at a time. Guess what? Get excited, get excited, get excited, get super, super, super excited. Thank you for tuning into my page. Stay tuned for the video. Get excited.
I'm gonna warm up my face some with this. So I'm just taking some brown eyeshadow. It looked black, but it's brown. Beautiful. I'm just blending with this. She's beautiful. So I'm brushing it in to the bronzer. You see the difference, how I lift up the face?
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up the video. Comment below. And on your way out, hit the bell button for notification. Until next time, have a wonderful, wonderful day. Get excited. Get super excited.